Camera movement brings dynamism to footage, helping creators achieve smooth and controllable motion, enhance production quality, get audience's attention, and evoke emotional resonance. As a highly expressive narrative tool, it plays an essential role in visual storytelling. Today, we will explore 5 categories of camera movement equipment: trunk dolly, arc trunk dolly, alpha dolly, jib arm, and camera crane. The second part, why we need these tools. For trunk dolly, it can enable smooth linear movement, eliminate handheld shake, and ensure consistent speed. It supports repeatable shots with identical motion paths, facilitating via fast compositing. With flexible positioning, it allows synchronized movement of the camera and actors, boosting audience immersion. For arc trunk dolly, it can create circular shots around the subject, producing a strong parallax effect. It maintains subject clarity while revealing spatial relationships in the scene, enhancing the three-dimensional sense of the frame. For alpha dolly, it can add vertical movement to horizontal travel. Rising shots symbolize victory, power, or revelation. Descending shots convey intimacy or melancholy. It also allows obstacle clearing filming by lifting the lens over foreground objects. For jib arm, it can perform vertical and horizontal panning, enabling dramatic shifts between high and low angles. Its counterweight system reduces effort, delivering silky, lightweight motion. Compact in size, it occupies less space than a full-size camera crane. For camera crane, delivers sweeping, cinematic-scale movement with large range displacement, simultaneous height and angle changes. It can instantly switch from a ground-level close-up to an overhead panoramic view, conveying grandeur or solitude. The third part, what we need to achieve.
Action!
For trunk dolly, we should complete pushing shots for intimacy or pullback shots to reveal the environment. Focus adjustment must be fully synchronized with dolly speed. For arc trunk dolly, we should keep the subject locked in frame. Maintain equal distance between the camera and the central point to avoid focal plane shift. Achieve smooth 360 or semicircular orbiting shots. For alpha dolly, we should control vertical lift and horizontal movement simultaneously. Operators must precisely time hydraulic lifts for diagonal rising or descending shots. For jib arm, we should use the counterweight system to switch between high and low angles. It often starts with a detailed close-up and sweeps upward to reveal a full view. Camera crane requires team coordination, crane operator, remote hand operator, focus puller to execute long takes across varying heights and depths of field. The fourth part, how to operate. In pre-production planning, we should analyze the script and emotional base to define the purpose of each camera movement. Select appropriate equipment based on scene scale and design motion paths. In technical preparation, for trunk dolly, lay trunks on level ground, ensure alignment and stability, and secure trunk joints. For alpha dolly, check lift column stability, balance weight, and test lifting functions before shooting. For jib arm, properly balance counterweights, fix the tripod base, and test smooth tilting. For camera crane, verify structural stability, calculate load capacity, and assign certified operators. During the on-site shooting, prioritize safety, secure all trunks, lock wheels and joints, organize cables, and clear the movement paths. Conduct rehearsals in advance. Camera operators should grip the camera body firmly, release locks, monitor actor movement and obstacles. For arc dolly, Avoid exceeding track limits. For alpha dolly, stand on the elevated platform. For camera crane, keep feet stationary and move using legs and upper body. Don't dismount without operator approval. Maintain stable framing for all equipment. Focus pullers should monitor the screen closely and track focus accurately with camera movement. Coordinate with actors blocking, rehearse motion rhythm, and communicate between operators and director. The fifth part, conclusion. From basic track dollies to sophisticated camera cranes, these tools reflect the evolution of visual storytelling. Equipment choices should be based on how well the movement serves the emotional core of the script, not just visual flair. Mastering these 5 steps again allows creators to move beyond simple scene documentation and build immersive cinematic worlds.